G'day, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the Ryobi Power Scrubber. Picked this up the other day at Bunnings for $199. It's a skin only, so that means it doesn't come with a battery. It's an 18 volt Ryobi battery, so if you've got previous equipment, it's a easy thing just to grab one of your batteries and whack her in. As you can see, it's got some pretty stiff nylon bristles here for cleaning. So that spins pretty fast once you put the battery in. We've got a adjustable telescopic handle. It's got that much play in it, up and down. It's got a grip handle which can move up and down for comfort. And of course, that's where the battery goes. So we'll put the battery in and give it a bit of a spin, and then we'll test it out on some pretty hard to clean tiles. Okay, we've got the battery in, so it's just a matter of pressing the safety lever there, then pulling the lever on the bottom, and off we go. As you can see, it's sort of, it goes pretty quick. It's also work on carpet to pick up stubborn and fluff. But as I say, we'll go and look at some pretty hard to clean tiles. We're going to have to use some chemical, of course, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're going to try it on these tiles. In my opinion, these are the hardest tiles I've had to clean, or to get clean. They're a hard ceramic tile, non-slip, with a wood grain finish. You can see the dirt gets right in there. I've tried expensive steam cleaners, manual scrubbing, another commercial power scrubber worth over $1,000. Just hasn't been able to quite do the job. So we'll see how this goes. This should bring this back, if it works, to the original off-white colour. Let's see how it goes. For a chemical, we're just going to use some handy mixed with water, so nothing too serious. Okay, we've got our handy mixed with hot water down. Turn on the power scrubber. Not using any pressure at the moment, but I might have to get right into that white tile. Okay, well that's how it looks with handy and water. Here's an improvement, so I'm sure you can see from the before shot. I'm going to now, well you can see that's the part I haven't done, how dirty that is. So now I'm going to try some bit more serious chemical. It's called DFA, it's a degreaser, and that should bring it up a little bit better. Okay, well this is the result using a bit harsher chemical, DFA 100 it's called, it's a degreaser, designed for commercial kitchen flooring. As you can see, it's definitely much better, but these tiles are like sandpaper. Everything just sticks to them. You can see where it doesn't quite get to the edges, and the dirty bit there, this is the bit I didn't touch. So this is what they used to be like. So I'm sure with another application, another scrub in a week's time, they'll probably come up even better again. So there we go, that's the Ryobi Power Scrubber.